You guys, I started to put it black so it can match right here, my real beauty mark. I was gonna make two, but I was like, whatever. Number 4. This is just real talk, you guys. Number 4 is your real work is not matching the work that you're putting out there. I'm just saying. I hope this is not you. It's not you, is it? Is it you? Is it you? Your real work is not matching the work that you're putting out there. This is straightforward to the point. Meaning that you're putting up other people's pictures. Pictures from magazines. Pictures that are filtered to freaking death and blurry to trick people. I had a girl come to me and it was a fill-in, and she was like, this is the picture I showed this girl and this is what I got. Can you fix this? And I fixed it or whatever, but I was like, see, that's what I'm talking about. I said, but in talking to her, I'm like, did you look at her Instagram or whatever? I said, you know, because people filter things, you know, whatever, and da-da-da. She was like, this is her page right here. So she showed me, and then she was like, oh my God, now that I'm listening to you, all her pictures are blurry. They were. She didn't even have to show me. I had already said that before she showed them to me. I'm like, yeah, you people don't be tricking people now. Because those pictures were so blurry, but they were very sparkly, and it was like the way she had it was like it was trickery. It was sorcery. And don't do that. Don't do that to people, because they will not come back. Do what you do. Listen, you guys, I know everybody want to do designs. Look, stay in your lane and practice different things. Don't try to put everything that you tried to do or you trying to learn. Don't put blurry pictures up of that if you're trying to get clientele, and don't do that. Trying to trick people, because they're going to expect us to look a certain way. They have a certain expectation in their head of your skill set. And if you are not able to meet it, don't try to fake like you can meet it, because it'll backfire. Now, I'll give you an example of me, because when I'm talking all this crap, I'm telling you a lot of these things from experience, okay? You know the 3D flowers? I know how to do the 3D flowers. I know I do a lot of things. But do I do the 3D flowers? Not really. So when people ask me, like somebody asked me a while ago, like, you do the 3D flowers? I'm like, I know how to do them, but I have not done them in so darn long. She's like, cause I really want. I'm like, well, I can try to put them on you, but I'm just letting you know. They turned out okay, but it wasn't anything I wanted to take pictures of. You know, that's what you got to do. But don't put up a whole portfolio of pictures, you know, faking these designs and different things that you know don't really look good. But you took it from way back here on an angle like this and blurred the picture and faded it. And put all these apps and stuff on it to make it look good. Don't do that, because if your shaping is off and bumpy, your acrylic is lumpy, falling all off to the side, and your polish is not even, and it's just a mess. And you know, like, I would just say, like, be real with yourself and put in time practicing on that mannequin hand or some friends or whatever for those type of design, for the clientele that you want to pull in. You want that high-end design work and all that, you know for a fact that it's not where it should be. Pull in some friends and practice and take pictures. Put your best foot forward is what I'm going to say. So be careful about putting out things that are trickery, sorcery, okay? Because if you get the buck, y'all gonna hear me plugging it, because it answers a lot of questions along with all my videos that a lot of people keep inboxing me about. And I'm like, you're not reading or listening to these videos because I keep saying the same stuff. If you do the work and you're putting out your stuff, your pictures should look a certain way and they should consistently look that way. Okay? But some people will feel really what did she just say? Somebody was texting me. People will feel some sort of way if you trick them. So that's number 4. Your work not matching your online work, or your pictures not matching your real work. Okay? Seriously, I fix people's work all the time. There's a salon here in Chicago. I'm constantly getting their people because their main social media posts up all these people work. And somebody told me they had my picture posted up there. I'm still looking out for it, but I've had so many people say they had all these pictures on their website, on their Instagram, whatever, and I went and my nails didn't look nothing like that. They told me I was gonna get the girl who did that, and I didn't. They put me in somebody else's chair. Be careful. Okay. And here's the 5th and final top 5 reason why you have no clients, or just a few. I'm so ladylike. Oh my God. You ready? Top 5. Number 5. This is not number 5. This is just the 5th one. It's not the top reason. But this is a big one. You got to be honest with yourself, because the number 5 reason is right here. The quality of your work does not match your price point. The quality of your work does not match your price point. I get so many people asking me how much they should charge for this, how much they should charge for that. And like I've said many times, first of all, I need a consultation for that. I will never answer that question for anybody who ever asks me that, because I got to look at your work. And for me to sit down and look at your work and critique it and all that and listen to your story, that's a consultation. So therefore I can't answer that question. I will be all day doing that for people. Your work gotta match your skill sets, okay? How much should I charge? How much should I charge? It depends. So do not go and create a price list based off of what you see. Don't go find the most popular person or whatever and say, oh, well, they charge that, so I'm gonna charge that. They can charge that. They've been doing it for 20 years. They can charge that. They naturally skilled at it. They can charge that. Okay? They do nails day and night, 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. They can charge that. You just started 3 months ago and you are still learning how to use your acrylic brush. You can't charge the same thing. Your shaping is not the same. Your polishing technique is not as crisp. You know, your concave, all that is not the same. The designs are not lasting as long. Does your work last a month? They're showing social proof that their work lasts a month, up to 2 months, up to 9 weeks on some clients. 30-year nail techs, we have clients 1 month, 6 weeks, 9 weeks, nails still in place. Maybe he lost 1 or 2 stones. All that takes time. So I tell you what I charge. You should not go and charge that. Like, okay, I can get easily a $70 set with just 2 designs, because the way I charge, but it's really more so the quality and everything of the work. You may do that same set of nails and charge $35, or you may do that same set of nails and charge $50. You have to have a real conversation with yourself and maybe your best friend, your real best friend, who's going to be honest with you to tell you where you should be placing your pricing. If you overcharge and your quality of work is not matching it, then you are going to lose people. Now, granted, some people you never going to satisfy, okay? Because I'm sure, I know I got a couple people here or there, very far between, that may say, oh, it didn't last for me, whatever, that's you, because I know I have 99.9% of people that it does last or whatever. And usually if a person's nails start coming off, it's because they've had to set on too long and the nails start to grow away. It's reasons why. And I always consult with people to let them know, like, what needs to happen. Oh, your nails are shifting away from the plastic, so we need to get that because bacteria can build up, It's an ongoing thing. So all of that encompasses your skill set, your experience, your skill level, and how much you can charge. So be sure that when you are charging people, do not be charging just based on what everybody else is charging. Take a real hard look at where you are. Be patient with your learning process, your experience, and your professional career growth. and charge accordingly, because the money will come. You want to be fair to yourself and make money and take in your overhead, but at the same time, you don't want to price gouge people if your quality is not up to par, because people will not come back, okay? They will not come back. So, those are the 5 reasons. You guys, make sure, I think that was cool, right? That was the top 5 reasons. Not the only reasons, but the top 5 reasons. So make sure you do what? Subscribe. And check out Shecago Beauty Source. This is my smock, London. Come get your smock. It's sitting there. I'm wearing this one. I'm gonna order some more when I come back from my cruise. Yeah, and there's many more smocks. This is just one that I designed, but I love it. It's still shiny and clean and all that, and it repels dust really well. See that? Nothing's on there. I've been working like crazy because business picked right back up, like I said. Business picked right back up because it was that slow season. It's back to school, and like I said in other videos, all the industries, dental, not teaching, but dental, and my other entrepreneurial friends, they all had the same slow season. Now it's like boom. Actually, my arm is back hurting again. I wish you could hear that popping. My arm is back hurting because I've been working that much harder, because I was so kind of slow for a moment, and now I'm like back ramped up. Boom, 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 boom. You know. And yeah, you guys, so be sure you check out Shecago Beauty Source. We have the 30-day nail technician challenge. Those books have already shipped out, you guys. Of course, we're gonna lose a day in shipping because of the holiday today, but those books are in the mail. They're in the mail. They're on their way to you. You should have your tracking. Anyone who had a digital download, there was one person who had a problem. I got her digital download. She confirmed. So if you want to get that 30-day challenge right away, you can go on Shecago Beauty Source, and you can get that right now. You can print it out. You can put it in a 3-ring binder. You can do it over and over again. You can print it whenever you want. Or if you want the hard copy, go ahead and order the hard copy. We'll get it shipped out to you, and that's that. And then check out the smocks and the mask and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to come back live, but I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, I'm lying when I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I'm so sorry. I'm a liar. Because the truth of the matter is, I'm on my way on a cruise. I know I keep saying that, but it's really coming up soon. So I don't know, because it's a lot of work to get ready for this and trying to do all these clients. And you guys have me online for like 3 and 4 hours at a time, but saying I'm holding you online. But I'm going on a 7-day cruise, and it's gonna be around Halloween, so we're gonna be in costumes and stuff, and it's gonna be lovely. So I'm ordering all my stuff, gotta get my hair done, and I got a lot going on right now, so I don't know if I'll be coming on live. I might do pre-recorded videos, but what I do plan to do is, while I'm on this cruise, you guys, it's 7 days. I'm gonna be recording video after video after video. I'm gonna be sitting in lounge chairs sipping and talking to you guys about, I'm just gonna pre-record a whole bunch of content. I'm gonna already have it edited, and that's my goal. We'll see. We'll see, because there's 30 of us going. But I'm going to try to pre-record and edit a whole bunch of content, so when I get back, you'll have some of, be out there with us, showing how we kicked it, and then just different topics that I want to talk about, because it's 7 days, so I'll be like free to do whatever I want for 7 days. Just me doing all this as a little old nail tech, and all my bills is paid. Don't tell me you can't make no money doing this, because you can make money doing this. You can make money doing this. Hey, get the 30-day challenge and see what I'm talking about, okay? Shecago Beauty Source, get this 30-day challenge. Check it out. That's it. That's all. I'm about to go, you guys, because I'm about to go outside. I gotta have some fun. Bye. Okay, you guys, so here's a little sneak peek from my vacation. I'm going to record some footage. I had so much fun. I needed it, and I enjoyed every moment. So you guys stay tuned. I'm putting it together, and let's go live real soon, okay? Thanks for your support.